Assalamu alaikum and hi sweet friend, this is me Amna. Here's my channel. Here we'll talk about homemaking, organizing and decorating. Today's video is about how I organize my fridge. Right now my fridge does need a full deep cleaning. As you can see, it is stained, completely disorganized. So let's just hit the cleaning process. First, I would like to start from door and work on my way to inside. I'll remove all the magnets and wipe out all the shelves. Now I'm getting my fruits and veggies washed by putting some baking soda. As you can see the dirt. I'm just making this fruit ready to grab to eat anytime. And strawberries are always fresh, healthy, uh, every time snack. I did decide to segregate all the fruits and veggies in a single container through these baskets. I have these baskets for quite a few years. They make my things a lot more convenient. The goal up of today's video is to hopefully get you inspired and motivated. If you have space in your home that you want to clean, declutter and organize, the fridge is probably one of the hardest place to keep organized because it constantly used throughout the day. Now it is my freezer part. As you all know, Ramadan is just around the corner. So these Shami kebabs can be used in Ramadan. I love to decorate my fridge with this cute little magnets. So here is the final clean and tidy fridge. When I'm done with my cleaning and my work, I just love to lit the candle because it gives me so much strength and good vibes. Last but not the least, if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.